In the realm of physical therapy, some groundbreaking advances are unfolding, particularly concerning airway health and craniofacial TMJ management. These innovations promise not only improved patient outcomes, but also open avenues for physical therapists to widen their expertise. I'm Dr. Brad Gilden, section leader for the physical therapy section of the AAPMD. The focus of our section relates to the connection between airway health and whole body wellness. In our experience, the fundamental role of nasal breathing in wellness is significant. When nasal breathing is compromised, it has a direct negative impact on overall health, leading to compensatory strategies that are less efficient and detrimental to this system. We also explore the effective management of TMJ concerns, diaphragm function, and the broader scope of restoring an efficient and functional airway for our patients. By joining the AAPMD's physical therapy section, you gain access to our monthly webinars. During these sessions, renowned therapists share insights into airway health and how they incorporate specific strategies in their practices, breaking new ground in the process. Our annual Collaboration Cures conference also provides an exclusive platform for physical therapists who want to expand their horizons and meet like-minded medical professionals across multiple disciplines. Beyond professional growth, the physical therapy section of the AAPMD is about refining our approach to patient care. Together, we're delving deeper into these pertinent areas, ensuring that we stay on the leading edge of our field and that our patients receive comprehensive and innovative care. I look forward to meeting you.